Tuesday's Tips and Tricks. Today I'm going to be teaching you two different variations of Bombershays. One's going to be a more beginning intermediate level and one's going to be more advanced. So grab those tap shoes and let's get started. Regular Bombershays. This is going to be a step, spank, dig. So you're going to step, spank on that other foot, spank, dig. Step, spank, dig. Step, spank, dig. Good. Let's go ahead and try it on that other foot. So start with your step, spank, dig. Step, spank, dig. Step, spank, dig. Good. Make sure on that step you have your heel up off the ground. Now let's try those just a little bit faster. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. And on our left side, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, now let's put those together going from right to left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Facing the back. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, now let's speed that up. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, moving on to our next variation of the Bombershay. This is going to be with your toe instead of a step. So you're going to go up onto that toe, spank, dig, toe, spank, dig. Good, let's try that left foot, starting with your toe. Good, so you can see it's the exact same thing, just a toe instead of a step. Let's try those a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slow from the back. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, and this is what it's going to look like sped up. 5, 6, 7, 8. With me. If you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button to keep up with all of our other videos posted every week.